Hi, I'm James, and today we're launching Codebuff, the open source coding agent with the best harness for Opus 4.5. It's 100 seconds faster than Cloud Code on common tasks with better code output. Let me show you how we get this better performance using three key sub-agents. So here I have a task that is an actual feature request from our users. Let's put it into Codebuff, see how it goes. The first key sub-agent from Codebuff is the file picker. It spawned a couple in parallel with a prompt. And the key thing here is that it's able to list all these files that are relevant almost instantly. And that's because it looks at the whole code base, all of the files, and we actually parse out exported function names and variables so that it knows what's in each file, and it just bangs out the files. Instead of spending an entire minute doing greps and like slowly finding files, we just get it like near instantly. And then besides the file lister, we summarize the files for the main agent. And then it's just able to read a bunch of files. Instead of reading them one by one, Codebuff reads them all like in a list. So that's one reason why we're like so much faster. Next up, it's just asked me a question or two questions related to what I'm creating. So I'm just going to go ahead and answer those. Current project only. All right. So we envision Codebuff as like a collaborative partner, and this is sort of a really cool way where it can sort of clarify your prompt and disambiguate it. Now the second key subagent is the editor multi-prompt, and basically this is super interesting. The orchestrator agent comes up with three different strategies as prompts, and then it spawns three basically agents that go and re-implement or like implement the whole thing. And it'll basically be able to compare these three implementations for you and pick the best one. Here we can see the selector agent shows strategy number 2, and it just created that file. For each edit, it's able to spawn this editor and choose the best result of 3. It's less costly than you think because even though these are each Opus models that are being spawned, the entire context of this chat is prompt cached, so it doesn't cost that much to run all three implementations. The third sub-agent is the code reviewer, and this is super awesome. In just a few seconds, it can give critical feedback while it's running and basically find bugs, clean up the code. It improves code quality by just having this check where it sort of is an agent that plays devil's advocate and finds problems. And then here we can see it's that the code reviewer raised a valid concern. So that's awesome. I love to see that. It looks like it finished all the to-dos. It'll write the final summary. I'm excited to try out this new feature. But one more thing. Before it finishes, it also creates these suggested follow-ups. And these are just ready-made prompts that I can just send. And it's basically, it comes up with ideas of its own of what I could add next. And I love this feature because it makes it so easy to do things, to do extra things. All right, let's check out the implementation. I'll run bundev to get the local changes that it's just made. Let's check out the /chats feature. Look at it. That's where it is. Let me just go into one of these. Oh, awesome. So that is really amazing. So Opus just one-shotted this entire feature so we can go into the history of our chats. Awesome. Dev, thanks for watching. You should check out codebuff.com or install Codebuff directly with npm i-g codebuff. Cheers.